Oh, hi. I'm Greg Nordfelt. I'm a 3-time traumatic brain injury survivor. I was a 35-year senior management banker. I worked hard so I could play harder. I'm an adrenaline junkie. I like to jump off things, dive into things, and ride things. My last traumatic brain injury, it landed me in a coma. And when I woke up, I was a young boy again. I had to relearn how to speak, read, write, and walk again. You know, many brain injury patients, when they're released from the hospital, they're told they have, 6, 12 months in their recovery, and that's when they peak. But neuroscience has come a long way. 100 years ago, scientists believed that, we learn things as children, and then our brains kind of hit their capacity in our teenage years, and then we were static for the rest of our lives. There was no more development. That was it. And along came neuroplasticity. It was awesome. And then Dr. Norman Doidge wrote his book, How the Brain Heals Itself. That was a great book. And there's some magic sauce. Do you want to hear it? It's cool. All right, I'm going to tell you. First, exercise. When we exercise, our brain releases chemicals, dopamine, serotonin. And for brain injured patients, when we recover, we need those chemicals drastically. 2, and we need this. Learn something new. When we learn something new, we stress our brains. And we add that to these chemicals. It's good in our recovery. Traumatic brain injured people need those to recover. And then 3, don't forget number 3, nutrition, because you know what? Our stomachs and our brains are connected. What we eat goes to our brain, and the chemicals our brains produce go directly to our stomach. It's true. So you add those 3 things together, and that's when the magic happens. Our brains start to expand. Brain cells grow. And when we're recovering from brain injury, we need that to continue to recover throughout our lives. It's been 6 years since my traumatic brain injury, and I am committed to continue to develop my brain throughout my lifetime. I learn new things every day. I'm a motivational speaker now, and I'm writing my memoir. I'm going to continue to develop my brain. And here's to you all to continue to develop your brains throughout your lives. Cheers.